Hey everybody, it's Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate. Selling your home in today's market takes way more than just a great listing. It really requires creating a space that buyers just can't resist. And did you know that a well-staged home can sell up to 88% faster and at a higher price? So if you're really looking to maximize your home's value and stand out, you are definitely in the right place. Now don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable insights. And if you have questions or you want actual personalized advice, please reach out to Domaille Real Estate because we're here to help you. Hi guys, I'm Kelly Domaille and I own Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty here in Rochester, Minnesota. Thanks again for tuning in today and watching this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, or maybe you just want to put down where you're tuning in from, I'd love to see who's all out there watching. So to stage or not to stage, that's the question today. Let's start with decluttering and depersonalizing your space. You definitely want to pack away personal items and clear out the excess clutter. People want to start to imagine putting their things in the space that they're seeing, not continually running into your favorite things, okay? Also remember, people start a home search online. So when they're online and they're looking at a picture this big, when there's a lot of clutter in that picture, it's very distracting and they really can't see the space that they're looking to buy. Also, you guys need to create a clean slate that feels open and fresh. Look at fan blades, look at vent covers. Those are the things that people forget, but they're also what buyers will look at first. So make sure everything is clean and fresh and smells good, okay? Now you wanna highlight your home's features, not its distractions, okay? So again, clear up everything. Let's highlight the things that really are gonna be appealing to a buyer. Maybe a very large great room or an expansive kitchen that families would love to gather around. Okay, so again, we want to make sure that we're focusing on those unique features of your home that will really attract a buyer. Now let's talk about curb appeal. This is definitely a buyer's first impression, right? They pull on up. So let's keep our landscaping fresh. Let's get rid of dead bushes and plants. Let's trim everything back. Keep your lawn mowed and beautiful. Pull out the weeds. If your front door is a little beat up or scraped up, maybe from some decorations over the seasons, put a fresh coat of paint on it. Let's make sure that cobwebs are removed and light bulbs are all working and functioning properly outside, okay? You may also want to add some welcoming touches like potted plants or a wreath on your front door. That's always a nice touch. We want to make that exterior photo ready. Not only in pictures do we want it to look nice, but again, it's going to be the first impression when buyers pull up to come see your home. Now, lighting can transform any atmosphere in any room. Open up curtains and clean your windows. Let the sunlight in. Natural light is the best light. Also, you might want to take out those old yellow light bulbs and use LED or nice bright white bulbs. High wattage bulbs will add that extra brightness that you need. Neutral lampshades are also going to create a really modern, fresh glow. Focus on furniture placement as well. When you walk into a room, we want to make sure that we're arranging the furniture that there's open walkways and a really nice logical flow to that room. It's going to make your room feel a lot more spacious and welcoming. I also want you guys to focus on removing super oversized pieces. That's going to make any room feel really cramped. When that couch feels too big for the space that it's in, that doesn't feel good for anybody. And you can also use rugs and other decor to define spaces, right? You may not have furniture in an area, but a rug could certainly outline an area. Now neutralize your color palette. And what I mean by that is bold colors or every room is a different color that is so distracting, not only in photos, but also in person. So maybe invest in a couple buckets of paint of a neutral color and make that continuous throughout the house. This will also make the spaces feel so much bigger. You want to opt for soft whites, grays, or beige. I know that sounds boring, but when you buy the house and you make it your own, that's one thing. But when you put it on the market, you really want to appeal to the largest market of potential buyers. And by neutralizing everything, that's the best way to do it. Now, don't overlook the importance of small details. You can add fresh flowers on your counter or greenery. That's going to add a lot. That always softens everything up, right? And you can strategically place mirrors so that they reflect light in the best possible ways. Now use subtle scents to create warmth and comfort, but don't overdo it. It's my biggest pet peeve when I walk into a house and it's an overpowering scent of potpourri or air freshener, okay? So keep it soft and simple. Now, if you'd like to know more about unlocking the potential of your house through effective home staging, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on our socials, hit that like button, or watch our other videos that you can find here on the screen. And if you have any questions or comments, please put them down below and I will make sure that I get to all of them. Thanks again for watching. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate, and I'll see you guys in the next video.